And now he's thinking that I'm a freak? Nah.
3,500? Bro, that's wild!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Wait, did I say 35,000x? I think I said 3,500x. Or did I say 35,000x? Well, doesn't change things, it's the same. All it has 35,000x. It has plus 1 0. What is that? What is 1 0? It's nothing. Right, guys? You agree with my logic, right? Yes, you agree. Well, 50 people. Well, that's how it is for some crazy time. No, give that crazy time with a 4x. Come on, do it. Yeah. So, everybody, 4x crazy time right there. Wow. Oh. So how unexpected, right, guys? I had no idea. Oh. Welcome, Max. Welcome back. Crazy time. Oh, yeah. 4x on it, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful 4x opportunity with us, for us. Oh, beautiful. I'm out of things to say right now, so stay quiet. Enjoy the penguins, you know. Just so you would know, my dopamine levels are very high right now from this 4x opportunity. Green, blue, yellow. Once again, those are the colors. If you don't see them, left is green, middle is blue, right is yellow. I don't, actually. Sometimes I do. Anyways, we got a 400x opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you everything. Alright, beautiful 80x on a blue, 100x on the yellow, and a 200x go.
This is the amount of money issued 487,360 for euros.
Oh, Zinters, you are simply the best host I have ever seen. I love you so much, Zinters. Never go away. Number one host. Congratulations, all the winners. That was alright. Could have been a double.
This result, and yes, moving on, guys. Well, gotta hope for all the rest of the segments to arrive here as well. Would be nice. Come on now. Okay, here we go. 2x on Pachinko. Ha! Kron actually knows what he's talking about. Santa Claus was a Saint Nicholas. Yes, in some countries, it's called St. Nicholas instead of Santa Claus. You know what? And on that note, we will go with that Pachinko and 2x on top of that. How about that, guys? Oh, yeah, this sounds better. This sounds like something. And it's always very pleasant to get some top slots. So we got 2x and Pachinko here for this nice touch. Hopefully, the start off is also going to be great. Well, 2x is the smallest. Yeah, so what we got? Okay, it's 200 there. Now it's going to be 400 as the highest multi possible. Got two doubles as well. We got 100x. Got some stuff downstairs, guys. Eyes on a prize. Gotta get lucky. So let's make that drop from the top. Woo. Come on now, Puck. Do us a favor and make us happy. 400. Come on now. Yes! Woo! This is what I'm talking about.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,613,621 euros.
0.6k of total winners. Ka-ching, we got it. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go, guys, if you're ready for the next one. Woo! Booyah! 3.1k of total winners down. What, Marco Sheesh. We all have some assumptions how Santa Claus looks like, but do we really know how he looks like? Do we really? Are you sure? Good luck. Haha, smooth, Kevin. That's pretty smooth. 5x and cash out at a TOPSLOT. You look like my future girlfriend. Smooth. I'll give you that. Come on. Ay, arriba! We got the cash out with 5x on top. Let's go. Oh, this is better. So I'm just telling. 2x was not meant to be. It was meant to be 5x on cash on wall, right? So here we go, guys. Oh, this is good. It's 100. It's 75 times 5. Look at that beauty now. It looks like something. This is what I'm talking about, guys. 500x is the highest one here right now. Lots of good ones on this wall. So there's definitely going to be some certain amount of you getting some real good multipliers. Dig in, get yourselves ready, get your guns ready, and go for a shot. Go for your choice. Maybe auto pick option here at this point, guys, but hey. Hoping for all the best possible outcomes for you guys. Let's see how many of you got the 500x as well, yes? The biggest one. Someone is calling out cactus. Here we go, guys. What do we have? 500x right there on that side of the wall. How many of
This is the amount of money issued to 198,650 for euros.
Wow, lots of good wins. 5.7k total winners. You get Giovanna Carolina, Khaled, top winners. How did you do, guys? What happened? Share with me. Good luck.
Day number 2, guys. Congratulations as well. Then one day we'll become the strongest host here, okay? Promise. Then thank you for the compliment. But I want to train, okay? Let's train those spins. Oh yeah, this was a good one. Feeling the pump now in my muscles here. 7x multiplier cash and good luck. So cute. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Isa. Whew. Let's see what they have. Come on, cash out, please. Yeah! Woo! Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, we have new record for this day. Let's go. There's the 500x multiplier, 7x multiplier applies. That player said, let's go. The magic. Look at that, guys. 3,500. Boom. Who's now the strongest host here, huh? Hello. Woo. Good job, Ben. Good job. You're one good kid here. Okay, guys, the max multiplier 3,500, okay? Well, 3,500, guys. X, good luck to find that huge multiplier. If you're not getting the 3,500, don't cry. Don't worry, okay? There's other big multipliers as well on the board. There's 104 symbols. Good luck to find that big one. Or as well, congratulations for playing this round. Finally, we have really big hit, guys, here. Revealing the multipliers. Here goes all the multipliers and 3,500, baby! 3,500!
This is the amount of money issued 366,396 euros.
Hey, what? What was the multiplier? 3,500? Bro, that's wild! Woo! Hey everyone, I'm Grace, gonna be your next host. Man, who got the 35? Hi, Micah, can you give some money? Yeah, Mike always on the billboard. Okay, let's go for more. By the way, welcome to all the guys who are free to place the bets, and don't forget about RV option. You're Gaga. What do you mean I'm a Gaga? And now you think that I'm a freak? Nah. Pachinko with a 20x TOPSLOT on top. Come on, baby, I guess it's on for Pachinko, 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 Pachinko. We're getting closer, ladies and gentlemen. Let's scream Pachinko. Come, 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 baby, baby, baby. Stop, stop, stop. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a Pachinko with 20x TOPSLOT on top. Woo! OMG, OMG, OMG. I mean, some of you just asked me to catch Pachinko with a top slot on top, big top slot, because that's your favorite game. Guys, I just did it, and there's 20x also on top. You know, no matter what, we'll have a nice win. Let's go up. Let me take a look. Actually, our highest multiplier is 2000x. Can you believe it? And pretty sure there is a double, so imagine double 4000x. $300, guys, almost 4. My apologies for so low.
This is the amount of money issued, 159,938 euros.
Well, I'm so proud of you still. Every one of you who was betting at 300x. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to April. Thank you, guys.